Hey, I'm doing good. How are you doing today?
Yeah, not too shabby.
So,
Huh?
go for it. Sorry.
Oh, I was just gonna say, yeah, I completely forgot about our lesson today until an hour ago.
That's all right. No worries.
Yeah, what were you gonna say?
I was just gonna say, looks like we're up and live this time, so the video seems to be working.
Okay, there we go.
Are we frozen?
Just
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No?
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, it's just frozen.
You're fine, no worries.
Do you want to just jump into the quiz?
Yeah, just working on pulling it up now.
Okay.
There we go. Fortunately, this lesson wasn't too due in an hour.
Well, good.
Just don't know how I was with it, but we'll see. Okay.
Yeah, we'll see.
Read that file for SPSS. Okay, perfect. I think I have everything pulled up. Are you ready?
Yeah. SPSS file, but I can go while we're.
Oh, okay. Yeah, mine's working on pulling up too.
Okay.
All right. So given the linear regression equation y equals 2 plus 1.5x, what is the y in? One decimal. Would this be the 2.0?
Good question. You're probably right. Is that what you think it is?
Okay. There's my SPSS.
Would we have to solve the equation?
I think y-intercept is it's represented by the B naught symbol, which is the first one.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
And the 1.5 would be the slope then?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. A little while since I took algebra.
No problem. They even switch it up on you, the regression or the slope formula.
Really?
Yeah, it's just changed a little bit, not too much though.
Okay.
But anyways, what is the predicted value of y when x is 16? So this is where we would solve the equation.
Perfect.
I'm actually going to get a better calculator. This one's not giving me the full answers. I'll be right back.
Okay. Yeah, you're good.
How lower than big calculator is, dude. You sure? You sure? You sure? Yeah, sprawdzę. I don't even know if that's how you say that. Sorry. I'm just kidding. Okay, I am back.
Awesome.
Did you get 1.
Yes, I did.
Cool. All right. Rare you get an answer like that in math.
Yeah.
We're
Nice.
using SPSS.
Okay.
Confidence data is explanatory or independent. Score is response dependent.
My SPSS is still loading, so.
That's no problem at all. Okay. I'm Jamaican.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, thank you so much. Can I ask you something? Trust your instincts. It's only the best way to make the right choice.
So the explanatory variable is
That one's going to be the independent value.
okay. So score would be the y, and then confidence would be the x. Is that?
Yeah, I think so. When you're making the scatter plot. Is that what you're doing now, making that scatter plot?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about that.
Gotcha. Oh, you're fine. I was just wondering.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I got my scatter plot pulled up.
Okay. Now it's pretty spread out, but would you say that's hot dog rather than hamburger?
Yeah, that's what I would say. It's not like
Okay.
way spread out, and it's still in a pretty straight line, so it can't be. Would you say A for 7? Looks like you're frozen there.
Can you hear now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, good. Sorry about
Yeah.
that.
You're fine. I don't know if it's my side of the connection or yours. Oops. But I just switched right next to my router, so hopefully if it was my side, that feel like it should work much closer to it.
Yeah, Yeah, sorry if it's my side too.
No, no problem. Um,
That's a nice tie, by the way. It's festive.
oh, thank you.
So, for 7, were you thinking A?
I actually hadn't looked at it fully yet. I read the
Okay.
question, but then I was
take your
moving.
time.
Yeah, I would say so. I'd say it's appropriate.
And for 8, I just went ahead and looked at the SPSS data, and I think it was 139. But
39.
you may have a different answer there. It's just it looked like
I do not. Did you get that from looking at the degrees of freedom and adding one?
I actually maybe I did it wrong. I just looked at the chart of
I see.
information that's given.
I see. Yeah, it looks like 139. That is a very smart way to go about it. Okay.
I like easy.
Yeah. And then what is the y-intercept? That would be B or D0, D null, B null. Is that 18.690?
I actually haven't solved for that part yet.
Okay.
But is that what you got?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. If you just look at the, where'd it go? The coefficients results in SPSS.
Mm-hmm.
The section for B, the unstandardized one.
Yeah.
I believe the first one, 18.690, is the y-intercept or B naught, and then the second one is the slope or B1.
That I remember from the so awesome.
Okay.
So
yeah.
18.0 is that you said?
18.690.
And then the other number would be this.
Yeah, the 12.695 one.
So would we do just 12.695?
Yeah, I think so. Okay. Now, what is the predicted value of y when x equals 4?
Did you happen to get 69.47?
Let's see here. I did, yep, 69.47, that's what you said?
Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome.
Okay. Right. And do we put 0 at the end of that since it says 3 decimal places, or?
That might be a good idea, yeah.
Okay. I'm never sure what to do for that part.
Yeah. Guess we'll see.
Yeah, guess so.
Okay, the confidence data resulted from students evaluating their confidence for each question on a scale of 1 to 6. What is the maximum predicted value of y for these values of x? Hint, because there's a positive correlation, we can use the largest x value to find the largest predicted value of y.
Is this information we used in SPSS just then, is that still relating to this?
I believe so. I haven't seen anything else.
Okay, yeah. So we'd use the same equation we would just plug in 6, is that right?
The largest x value? Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Sounds good to me.
So for that, I got 94.86.
I did as well. So I'm gonna just do a 0 on the end of that. Just
Sounds good. 860. And how many explanatory or independent variables are present in simple linear regression? I don't know this one.
really. Just one? I don't know.
I have zero idea, so I like one.
Well, I'm just gonna, yeah, maybe because there's like an explanatory variable and a response variable. And so is it just like a dumb
Oh.
question? I don't know.
It could be. That sounds right to me now that I think about what the question's asking. One sounds plausible, so I think we can go with that. And then how many response or dependent variables? That also be one?
I'm just gonna put it, and there's only three
Alright.
options. So
Yeah.
too bad. Okay. Last question.
Sweet. So I'm thinking that it. Oh, what were you about to say?
No, nothing. You're good.
Okay. I was thinking it's A because that's what they want to predict, and the information it says the company wants to predict the size of hat given the circumference.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Sounds really good.
Okay. Cool.
I'll go ahead and submit my quiz this time.
Sounds good.
All right. Let's see how you did. It's a miracle. Got 100%.
Hey, all right. I guess those two questions about how many response and were just, well,
Yeah.
simple questions.
Yeah, I like that. That's nice.
All right. I also got 100%.
Awesome. Do we have another part of our assignment, our project due this Saturday?
I believe so. I think I remember reading an email about it. Let me see if I can pull it up here. Final or group project, final. I'm thinking this is the one that I'm in charge of sending in, which is describe the data.
Okay.
And it is due. Oh, I just lost it. Oh, man. Okay. December 3rd. So, yeah, it would be this Saturday.
Okay.
Wow, tomorrow's already Friday?
Yeah, that's crazy, huh?
Jeez, that week flew by.
Yeah, I think there's only 2 weeks left in the semester.
That's crazy. And one of those is lecture, and the other one is finals. Man.
Yeah, so we're pretty much done with material.
Yeah. So I haven't looked at the describe the data stuff yet. So I don't really. Have you looked at it yet?
No, but I mean, I assume that we're just going to be carrying out our calculations, running like an SPSS thing on it.
Yeah, that
that's
makes
what I
sense.
assume. I don't know. Does that sound right to you?
Probably, yeah. I mean, I can't think of any other way to describe through a graph or something, or a scatter plot. I've completely forgotten the name of those. Is that it?
Okay. Yeah, that is.
So I don't know exactly how they want it, but
Yeah, me neither. Maybe we can just work on it separately and I don't know, collaborate
Yeah.
during the next few days or something.
yeah, that's no problem. I just opened it up and summarize your data in 2 to 3 paragraphs using summary statistics as well as other descriptions. Labeled graph, appropriate for your data.
You already did that.
Oh yeah, that's right. We sure did. That's nice.
Yeah. That was
Okay.
really good,
Well,
by the way.
since I think it was me that I think that was put in charge of this topic, I can write it up, those 2 or 3 paragraphs, and then I can send it to you before I submit it just to see what you think about it. Does that work for you?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Cool.
That sounds
Sounds good. I'll
Thank
get
you very
working on
much.
that. No problem.
Alrighty. We'll talk to you later then.
All right, sounds good. Have a good day, night, evening,
You too. Yeah.
Thursday.
We'll see you.